Hey guys, how's it going? It's me, Chris, again, and today we have a 2022 Lexus UX 200 maintenance light reset. We are going to use these buttons over here: up, down, left, right, OK for enter, and back. And we're going to be looking at that screen right there. Go ahead and turn on your car without starting. If you have the key, go ahead and turn it to the second position. And if you have the push start, go ahead and press it twice without your foot on the brake. Now every time you see this message, go ahead and click back. As you can see, oil maintenance required. Now go ahead and scroll right until you find this page, which is and go ahead and scroll up or down all the way until you find vehicle setting. Go ahead and enter on vehicle setting. Go ahead and scroll down all the way down to schedule maintenance. Enter on it. Scroll up, enter on yes. Now go ahead and go back and scroll one more down, and then you can see the oil maintenance. Go ahead and enter on that. Go ahead and reset that one too by choosing yes and enter on yes. And there it is. Guys, make sure you click that like. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you next time. Bye bye.